Hi, I'm Dan from Hunt Haul. I just wanted to show you, well, the Hunt Haul pack, what comes with it, how it works, and I look forward to seeing some cool videos and stuff that you guys get to do with it. First up, you've got the backpack. It's a custom pack that comes with the Hunt Haul itself. If you've already got your own favorite hunting pack, a lot of us do, you can just strap this to that backpack with the Molle straps, or of course you can use the backpack straps that come with it. In the front, you should find a few things like a couple of stickers, some details of how to get in touch with me. The QR code will get you through to this instruction video and a little tool to put it all together. Here we have the pieces involved: the aluminum bumper, the bright orange harness, some more orange straps, the sled itself, and a little hardware kit. All this comes together to make your own Huntmate hunting game sled. So in your full kit here, you'll have a little bag. It's got your hardware in there. Should have a bunch of nuts, bolts, eye bolts, stainless hardware. You never know, you might just get a little random treat in yours. What you can do is you'll notice that all the parts have a number on them, which is great. 1 through 7. There we go. You want to take piece number 2 to start with. And if you're in a nice warm climate, you can leave it outside or in the sun, or you can hit it with a heat gun or a hairdryer or something of the like, something to warm it up a little bit. Great thing is here in Florida, you can just rely on the great air temperature. Then you've got your parts here for the bumper and some other parts off to the side. Material is awesome. It's so both robust and flexible all at the same time. Made to be indestructibles. One of the reasons why I give a lifetime warranty with it. I looked around for a little while trying to find some great materials, and this was definitely the better material for the applications that we use it for, because it's great for high temperatures, it's great for low temperatures, it's great for high abrasion resistance, it's great for skimming across things rather than digging into things. Really, really great material. So you can see what I've done is I've just taken the eye bolts and I've put the nut and washer on those all the way to the end. It lets me get the first parts set up here. Then just take 2 of the regular bolts. Same thing, pop those through. The bend that you put in there will make things a whole lot easier. If you try to do this with just a hard, straight piece, you're not going to have a good time. Once we have those mostly set on there, go ahead and sandwich them together between these 2 pieces of aluminum. Take our little tool that comes with it. You can use spring washers as well, so that in the field you can just do these hand tight. You don't really need the tool. First section's done. Fine from here goes a whole lot quicker and easier. So you've got the majority of it set up here. Going to run cables through the eye bolts, attach them together using the shackle. And again, all stainless hardware, stuff is indestructible. I want to see someone break it. You run your straps through the middle. Good things that any hunter will tell you, any good hunter that practices good hunter safety, is that once you've shot an animal, you don't just go running off after the animal. You gotta give it a few minutes so that it passes safely away from you. Animals can be quite distressed in their last few moments, and you don't want them kicking, bucking, charging at you in their last heated moments. It definitely would not be a whole lot of fun. So you've got your straps in. They're great. They allow you to either wrap it up around an animal or leave it flat and tie other things on, like you might have seen I did with a whole bunch of equipment, like the tree stands and ladders and all that kind of gear. You attach your harness to the stainless rope. You can either extend out the rope on the strap or double it over so that whether you're taller or shorter, it doesn't really matter. Great device to help you haul out your kill or go in to set up your equipment. Super heavy duty. This stuff will not break. It's abrasion resistant, acid resistant, cold resistant, heat resistant, high density polyethylene. It's made in the USA. We're a small US based company, and hit us up when you have questions. Love to hear how you use it. Let us know how you go. Happy hunting.